Jai Hind India's future. How are you all? I hope that you are all well. Are you fond of learning English? If yes, you this video for you because I am practice making story and telling story and I will practice daily. So let's start without wasting time. So some boys were talking each other. Suddenly I came to them. I asked, "What are you talking right now?" And one of them said, "Nothing. I just like that." I said, I asked, "Phi- uh, even then, what are you talking? Tell me, because I want to listen you." And they said, he said, he uh, he he was saying, I will not study more because uh, today in India, in our country, um, a paper is leaked and vacancies are not come. So I I can't study more, and my financial condition is very low. I said, okay, but what will you do for living? And he said, I will I will get a private sector, government, private job. And yes, I said, you are right, and at this time are not vacancies are not come, and unemployment is increasing day by day. It's not our problem, it's government problem. why they why they don't release vacancy? I said, but without study, you cannot get a private sector, because this time in private sector study is must these days. These days, and he said, how can how come you can say that study is a must? They study is a must these days in a private sector, but many people do without studying. They are nor not good qualification, but they can get easily a, a private job. Yeah, I said yes, but if you want high salary, you get knowledge. If you but not matter if you knowledge or uh, uh, not more study, but skill is very important in private sector. And so, but I said, I made them understand that study is very important for our life, because without for this we will have to study, and we should read a book. I don't talk about subjective knowledge. We we can I talk uh, I talk uh, uh, other knowledge. How can I express? I can't express, but I wasn't talk subjective knowledge. And I said, if you uh, s- you should become leader in you will have to study. There are many books in present in this time, who which I read that book, and we become leader, because so for this we should we will have to study, and we should know about our country, our state, and we need to knowing we need we need to know uh, other countries, about other countries, and we should know about successful person, so that we inspire we can inspire them, and good we can get a good job, and we can get a high class job. So for this, study is the most important for this. And but they said, and I asked, do you know about what is going on in our country? And they said, yes, I know, and movement is going on our country. I said, suppose that if you get a chance to speak, you can speak, you can speak, can you speak? According to moon, according to me, not possible. Without knowledge, we can't speak anywhere. So study is more much important. And they said, I know about this moment. I listened in phone. I saw my phone in reel, through reel. I said, I said, it seems that you are addicted to watching reel. It's not good for you, uh, because nothing but lie in a phone. And if you see phone, you will waste your time. And they said, no problem, I come what may, I will see phone, because i I work by phone. I said, it's good for you because you are working in phone. So, and I said, leave this topic, and let's go somewhere. And and they asked me, where will we go? I said, anywhere, anywhere we should go. And in my area that time, fair is held, and I said, let's go fair. And when we, as all person agreed, and we went, and I we saw, there was a garden, and there was garden, and guavas garden, there was guavas garden. And I said, I said, let's pluck the guavas. And and we took, but one of them, I won't go. If gardener present, what will you do? Uh, what will he do with us? With us, I said, no matter, doesn't matter uh, what will he do, but I will go. And and some boys agreed, and we went. And as soon as we started to pluck guava, we started to pluck guavas. Suddenly, we all listened a voice, welcome, welcome in my garden, you're welcome. And we are scared. We all got scared, and we immediately we ran away from the garden. And when we reach on the way, and that person who don't go, who didn't go, he asked what happened, why are you running? And I said, perhaps gardener in is present in garden. So, and he said, welcome, you're welcome in garden. And we got scared, we got scared, and we ran away from garden. And they started to say that I was saying, don't go if gardener present in a garden. So what will you do? And I said nothing, and he and we we will we ran away so far for from garden. So we all save, and we went to fair, and we have fun a lot in fair, and we after that we went come in my home, and that's all. It's my practice video. If you want to learn if you want to learn English, you should watch my video, and please I request you that you you should tell my mistake, because when I speak I mistakes has been created, and I will practice daily, and I am improving my English skills, and sometimes I talk with ChatGPT, but ChatGPT is not good for beginner, because he he sorry, it speak very fast, and I I am not able to understanding what it say. So I don't talk with him, but sometimes I talk person in English, and so that's that's all. Jai Hind.